The Color Themes library lets you change the color scheme of your diagrams, graphs, and other styles. Color themes are what control default node and graph colors and styles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download, add, and use this library so you can go from this to this. Where can you find the Color Themes library? You can find it on the Analytica docs. To get there quickly from Analytica, I'm going to open the Find dialog. Search for Color Themes library and click on the On Docs button to search in the Analytica docs. This will automatically open the docs. Once you're on the page, scroll down to the Download section. Then click on the Color Themes library.ana link to download the library. Now that you've downloaded the library, let's add it to our model. Open up the model you want to add the library to. Make sure you're in edit mode if you're not already by clicking on the pointer in the toolbar. Then go to File, then Add Library. Select the Color Themes library from the folder you downloaded it to. Analytica will ask if you want to embed a copy or link to a file module or library. I'm going to select Embed a copy and then click OK. The library will take a second to load. Now you can see the Color Themes library has been added to our model. I'm just going to clean this up a bit by resizing and rearranging the node. Then I'll go back to Browse mode and double-click on the library to open it. I'll go to the Diagram Colors drop-down and select the 2023 Dark theme. You can see how all of the nodes updated. If I open up the bar graph example, you can see how the graphs have changed as well. If I don't want the graph to be the same theme as the model, I can uncheck this option for same diagram and graph themes. And you'll see additional options have popped up on the right of the Graph Settings menu. Now I can select a different theme, font, and border option for the graphs. Let's say I want the graphs to look like they used to. I'll go to the Graph Theme Select menu and select Classic and Include Graph Borders. Now if I open up the graph, you'll see the original graph color scheme is back. You can always select the classic theme for both the nodes and the graphs if you want to go back to the Analytica defaults. So now if we go back to the model diagram, we'll see the node colors and styles have all been updated to the 2023 Dark theme. And if you open the output graph, you'll see the graph uses the original default colors instead of the 2023 theme colors. If you customize a theme and want to save it for later, you can export it to an Anastyle file and load it into a model that way. Simply open the Color Themes library and click on the Export Anastyle button. Analytica will then save an Anastyle file that preserves your theme settings, including node colors, graph colors, font, and other settings. You can add this file into any existing model by adding it as an Analytica library. For more documentation on the Color Themes library features, check out the Analytica docs.